Hey ho! Welcome back to my channel, Goddess Mom, Ernie Crow. It's a bit of a dreary day to be filming today. I can see out my window. It's probably one of the wettest days it's gonna be in 2018. Big storm, BBC News is saying massive damage is gonna be happening today. But you know what? I'm filming this quick and easy tutorial because I just feel like sharing with you guys something happy and easy and colorful. Anyway, so many of my followers have been asking me, like how I do my mummy makeup, and even my mummy friends in school, even the teachers saying to me, how come you always come for school pickup looking so immaculate? And I'm like, I don't do anything special, but I have been wearing makeup for as long as I can remember, since I started working, in my late teens, in my early 20s, and of course being an ex-belly dancer, we are used to lots of glam makeup, the really thick lashes and the whole caboodle. Anyway, so I generally like to wear a very light makeup, and this is consisting of powder and tinted moisturizer. For me, wearing makeup is kind of like protection for my skin from the daily stresses and pollution of London. And also, even though I work from home quite a bit for my coaching and my blogging and all that, I do like to feel like if I do have to run out the door to meet a client or have an interview, or I don't know, meet the Prime Minister, I am ready to go. So let me share with you how I do my, apparently now I've just seen, less than 10-minute mummy makeup. Come along. Alright, I am now showing you my bare unmade face. So normally what I do is I'll take my shower in the morning, get dressed, and I'll put my serum. I use vitamin C, vitamin E, and the other one is what's it called, ferulic acid. And then I also put moisturizer on top, and then I use let me see, what am I using? I forgot. I'm using This Works Transit Camera Close Up. So I let it sit and kind of, seep in and dry off a little bit. I'll put my clothes, I'll do a roller and get dressed and everything else. And then when I'm all dressed, or almost just without a coat or a jumper, and then I'll put my makeup on. So I have set here my alarm, my timer for, where is it? It's not showing, for 10 minutes, just to kind of show you. So I am going to start now with my tinted moisturizer. Let me see. Stop. Okay. With a big kabuki brush. If you find that you've got a bit of under eye bags, as all moms do, fortunately, I use Eve Lom highlighter. So just a little bit, not too much. I don't want to completely hide the fact that I don't have enough sleep at times. My little one is having a cold at the moment, so she's coughing non-stop, and I can hear her through my bedroom door. It doesn't seem to come up, this. Come on. There we go. Okay, so a little bit here. Where I've got a bit of darker skin, wrinkled. And then I use a little brush. Okay, and then a bit more powder. The day is so grey today, I've had to put so much lighting to make myself visible on camera. Okay, so, and now I put, I use my Anastasia contour. I'm not a big contour fan, but we'll survive with just a little bit. You know, it's almost like a blusher thing. Just a little bit. This is the total mummy makeup. So you can see. And then I just kind of rub it in a little bit. Just blend it using the brush itself because I'm damn lazy. Okay, that's done. And then I will use the highlighter first. And I'm using from, what's it? Actually, I don't know. I think I bought this from Superdrug, one of their random brands. I kind of like that it's got gold and kind of champagne colors. A little bit on the forehead, on the nose, a bit under my lips, so I'm nicely highlighted. And then after that I put a bit of blusher. So I'm using the orange, slightly orangey one, and really just lightly. Let's see how far I'm going now. 5 minutes. Okay. And then I would do my eyes, my brows. Using KIKO Milano. The lighting is not very good today. It's so dark outside. I've chosen the wettest, greyest day to film this vlog. Right, it's good enough for mommy makeup. And then I use KIKO Milano long-lasting stick just to put a bit of color here. There. Brush. Mascara from Dior. Okay, and now lipstick. I have chosen to wear, this is an Indonesian brand. It's called Wardah, and I do like the pink color. That's it. My mommy makeup done today. I've got about 2 minutes left. So I normally fix my hair in this 2 minutes. So okay, I give it at least 3 to 5 minutes for my hair. Or I might just to fix a little bit of this under eye circle, this dark circle. Yeah, so there you go. 10 minutes with 1 minute and 30 seconds to spare. So really it is about an 8-minute makeup routine. I don't know, what do you think? How fast do you do your makeup, and do you do more than this? Do you do less? Let me know. I would love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos from me. Mwah! See you soon.